G'day everyone. Christmas is over here in Australia. I guess we've got the new year to look forward to. This is the first time I've had a bit of time off from work in a while. So I thought I'll clean up the shed, make a bit of space so I can work easier without fitting over everything. It's a nightmare. So I thought I'd clean right up because it's been a disaster for a while. And I had this little stash of timber down the back. Sheets of MDF, an old built-in wardrobe that I couldn't tear myself to throw out. It's all good material. I figure I want to use that. And then I got to the back of the pile and I could see all this termite damage. Look at that. Now I would have thought, and I'm no expert in this stuff, but I would have thought that with all the glue that's in MDF, they wouldn't be interested. But how wrong can you be? And some of it's quite artistic, if you're that sort of artist. But, oh well, there's a few sheets of MDF down the tubes. So I've got to drag that out, and serves me right for leaving it down the back of the shed for the last, it's probably been sitting there for 6 or 7 years. So they got to it before me. Oh well. So that's it for this little little story. I'll be uploading some videos on how to make bee boxes and various things like you've been asking me, jigs. I'm getting to it. I'm getting there. Promise. In the new year. But for now, Happy New Year. Look forward to it. 2020, it'll be brilliant. Well, the termite damage has gone a bit further than I was expecting. It's gone into, I had all these floorboards that I pulled out of my old house that was built in the 30s. So nicely seasoned hardwood. So I've been stashing it to do something with it one day. But it looks like I'm too late. Look at that. Just termite damage everywhere. So serves me right. Leaving it too long to make a decision what to do with it. So I guess New Year's resolution, get on with it, just do stuff. Don't wait.